Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers the diagnostic trouble codes DTC B1275, B1276, B1277, and B1278, which relate to various malfunctions in the headlight switch circuit for the Honda Odyssey models from 2011 to 2017. Each of these codes indicates a specific malfunction concerning the headlight switch positions, namely off, parking, auto, and on. The headlight switch is a crucial component that controls the operation of the vehicle's headlights, ensuring adequate visibility during driving conditions. It is typically located on the steering column or dashboard of the vehicle, easily accessible to the driver. When these circuits malfunction, it can lead to issues such as the headlights not turning on or operating erratically, which can compromise safety. In this guide, we will explore troubleshooting steps to identify and rectify these issues reliably. The error description for DTC's B1275 through B1278 indicates malfunctions in the headlight circuits, specifically surrounding the headlight switch. The headlight switch is responsible for controlling various positions of the headlights, including off, parking, auto, and on. Located on the steering column or dashboard, this switch is typically designed for ease of access during driving. When the circuits connected to each position fail, it can prevent the headlights from functioning as intended. For instance, a malfunction in the off position circuit might cause the headlights to remain illuminated despite being turned off. Understanding the role and location of these components is essential for effectively diagnosing and resolving the issue. Several possible causes can lead to the activation of DTC's B1275 to B1278. One of the primary causes is wiring issues within the circuits related to the headlight switch. This could include frayed wires, broken connections, or other electrical anomalies that disrupt the flow of current as it relates to each headlight position. Additionally, a faulty headlight switch itself can cause these diagnostic trouble codes, leading to the improper performance of the headlights. This may result from wear and tear or internal damage to the switch mechanism itself. Lastly, poor electrical connections can hinder the communication between the headlight switch and the vehicle's electrical system, often necessitating checks of circuits for loose or corroded connections. Symptoms associated with DTC's B1275 through B1278 typically involve issues with the headlight operation. Drivers may find that the headlights do not operate as expected, experiencing either complete failure or erratic behavior, such as flickering or inconsistent brightness. Another common symptom is the illumination of dashboard warning lights that are indicative of a problem in the lighting system. This can cause significant concern while driving, particularly at night or in poor visibility conditions. If the headlights are stuck in one position or do not turn off, drivers may experience a quick drain on the vehicle's battery, leading to additional problems. Awareness of these symptoms can help in early diagnosis and timely resolution to ensure safety. The first step in troubleshooting DTC's B1275 to B1278 is to clear the existing diagnostic trouble codes using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. The HDS is a specialized tool designed for Honda vehicles, allowing technicians to interface directly with the vehicle's onboard diagnostics. Clearing the DTCs is necessary to ensure no additional codes interfere with the subsequent diagnostic procedures. Upon clearing the codes, it's important to recheck them after completing the later steps to confirm whether the issues reoccur or if they were simply intermittent errors. This step is foundational as it establishes a clean slate for diagnostics, preventing any false readings from previous issues. In the second troubleshooting step, the ignition switch must first be turned to the lock position, 0, and then back to the on position, 2. This action resets the vehicle's electrical systems and prepares it for further testing. The on position activates various circuits without starting the engine, allowing the technician to evaluate headlight switch functions without additional interference. Ensuring the ignition is correctly set is vital before proceeding with additional steps, particularly since incorrect ignition settings can lead to erroneous data during troubleshooting. Next, the combination light switch should be tested by turning it to the parking, auto, and on low beam positions before switching it back to the off position. This step aims to confirm that the switch is capable of transitioning through its various operating modes without failure. Each position should trigger corresponding electrical responses in the vehicle's lighting systems. Observing the transitions will provide insights into whether the switch is functioning correctly. Following this procedure is key in pinpointing whether the issues lie within the switch itself or if they are contained within the connected circuits. After testing the combination light switch, it is recommended to wait at least 6 seconds before proceeding to the next step. This waiting period allows the vehicle's systems to stabilize, ensuring that all signaling and circuit responses have settled. Failing to allow this stabilization could result in inaccurate readings when checking for diagnostic trouble codes later. During this time, electrical components settle into their resting states, increasing the reliability of subsequent tests. This patience can ultimately lead to a more accurate diagnosis. In the 5th step, once the necessary waiting period has elapsed, the technician should again check for any DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This procedure is vital to determine if any of the previously indicated codes, B1275, B1276, B1277, or B1278, are still present. If these codes are indicated once again, it suggests that there is a persistent malfunction that needs addressing. Alternatively, if no codes are present, it may indicate an intermittent failure or a temporary glitch in the system, which might have resolved itself. This step is crucial in understanding whether the system is genuinely functioning properly or if further diagnostics is warranted. For the 6th troubleshooting step, select the lighting option from the Body Electrical System select menu in the HDS and enter the data list. This data list provides real-time information regarding the status of various components within the lighting system, including the headlight switch. Diagnosing information at this level enables the technician to see exactly what value is being registered when the switch is moved through its various positions. Entering this section of the system is pivotal for obtaining concrete data that closely reflects the actual condition of the components involved. It also prepares the technician for specific examinations needed in the following steps. In this step, the technician must check each combination light switch position value using the Data List menu from the HDS. It's crucial to evaluate how this system reports back the conditions of each switch position: off, parking, auto, and headlight. By matching these reported values to expected behaviors, any discrepancies can be identified. For example, when the combination light switch is turned to off, the expected reading should be off as well, which should also hold true for the parking and auto positions. Documenting these readings allows for a detailed comparison that may reveal underlying issues either within the switch or the wiring connected to it. Final repair verification is essential after completing the troubleshooting process for DTCs B1275 through B1278. This step involves observing whether all headlight functions perform normally following any repairs or adjustments made during the troubleshooting. It is necessary to retest for any DTCs using the HDS to confirm that there are no lingering malfunctions in the system, indicating that the issue has been successfully addressed. Confirming all functions and the absence of DTCs is a critical point in ensuring the reliability of the vehicle. This verification builds confidence that the repairs made have restored the vehicle to optimal working conditions. In conclusion, addressing DTC's B1275 through B1278 requires a thorough understanding of the headlight switch circuit functions and systematic troubleshooting steps. Each step, from clearing DTCs to evaluating the switch values, plays an integral part in isolating the issue. The process ensures no detail is overlooked, enhancing the likelihood of identifying the correct cause of the malfunction. By employing a structured approach, technicians can effectively navigate through potential failures, ensuring reliable headlight operation is restored. This ultimately contributes to the vehicle's safety and driving effectiveness, which is always of paramount importance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.